Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at the Zebra roller shades. So first things first, I just put these clips on. Each of these takes 2 screws. You simply drill the holes and then you go ahead and secure the screws and make sure these are stable. Very easy to do. You want to make sure that they are the correct distance from each other, and you just want to go ahead and measure the track on top of your shade and then measure that, make sure that's the right distance. Here is the actual shade. You can see the track right up there. I'm gonna go ahead and simply snap these into the clips. So you pretty much just have to apply some pressure in the back. It might take a couple tries, but once it's in, it will be solid and nice and secure like so. Now look how beautiful that looks. It's really right out of the way. You can hardly even tell there's a shade there when you're in person. There are the clips on top, nice and well spread apart. Now here are the actual shades. As you can see, you can have light shine through if you like. You can have no light come through if you like. They're nice and insulating, nice and weighted on the bottom so they won't, in the wind or anything like that, blow around. These things are very easy to clean, and just the design's amazing. Look at that. You pull it up, super smooth. I really like how easy it is to pull this thing down, and you can really choose your own setting, whether you want full privacy or you can have little bits of slits of light coming in like it shows right now. Here it is a look on the other side. So take a look at that. I can't see inside the garage at all currently with the shade on. That's exactly what I wanted. When that hot sun's beating, I get a nice cooling effect. No heat. Overall, I highly recommend these shades. Thanks for watching.